Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to EEEAN. We are series part 3. Today we will discuss about some basic maths determining voltage, resistance, conductance and power. In this video we will cover the example and practice problem 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3. So let's go. The first question. The question says an electric iron draws 2 ampere at 120 volt. Find its resistance. It's a simple math. Given the value of current I equals to 2 ampere and the voltage V equals to 120 volt, we have to obtain resistance R equals to what? We know R equals to V divided by I. And we know the value of V and I. So put the values in the equation and finally you get our result. The next, practice problem 2.1. The question says the essential component of a twistor is an electrical element that converts electrical energy to heat energy. Okay. How much current is drawn by a twistor with resistance 10 ohm at 110 volt? Then given the resistance R equals to 10 ohm, voltage V equals to 110 volt, and we have to obtain current, the value of current. We know current I equals to V divided by R, and we know the values of R and V and put the values into the equation and we get our result. Then the next one, the question says in the circuit shown in figure, calculate the current I, the conductance G and the power P. So in the circuit, we notice that one terminal of the 30 volt voltage source is connected with the one terminal of the resistance, and the other terminal of the voltage source is connected with the other terminal of the resistance. So we can say the voltage across the 5 kilo ohm resistance is 30 volt. So here resistance R equals to 5 kilo ohm and voltage V equals to 30 volt, and we have to obtain the values of current, conductance and power. And first we know the current I equals to V divided by R, and put the value of V and R, and here the values of R gives in kilo ohm. So we multiply 10 cube in ohmic value, then we get our result 6 milliampere. Then we know conductance G equals to 1 divided by R, and put the values of R and the result 0.2 millisiemens. Power P equals to VI, and then we get our result. And the next one, practice problem 2.2. The question says for the circuit shown in figure, calculate the voltage V, the conductance G and the power P. Here resistance R equals to 10 kilo ohm and the current I equals to 2 milliampere. The two values are given and we have to obtain the values of voltage, conductance and power. So we know V, voltage V equals to IR, and put the values of I and R, 2 milliampere into 10 kilo ohm, then we get 20 volt. Here milliampere with multiply with kilo ohm, that gets volt, because milliampere, that is 10 inverse 3 multiply with kilo ohm, 10 cube, then they will vanish each other, then the final result is volt. Then conductance G equals to 1 divided by R, then we put the value of R and we get result 100 microsiemens, and we have to remember that micro means 10 inverse 6. Okay, then power P equals to VI, put the value of V and I and we get our result 20 milliwatt. A voltage source of 20 sin phi t volt is connected across a 5 kilo ohm resistor, and we have to find the current through the resistor and the power dissipated. Here, resistance given R equals to 5 kilo ohm and the voltage V equals to 20 sin phi t volt, and we have to obtain current and power. We know I equals to V divided by R. Put the value of V and R, we get our result 4 sin phi t milliampere. Here the division happens between the magnitude of the resistance and the voltage. Okay, the power P equals to VI. To put the value of V and I, magnitude multiply with magnitude, sine multiply with sine, and the result is 80 sine square phi t milliwatt. And the last one, practice problem 2.3. The question says a resistor absorbs an instantaneous power of 20 cos square t milliwatt when connected to a voltage source V equals to 10 cos t volt. Find I and R. So we have to get current and resistance. Given power, the value of P and the value of V. And we have to find the value of I and R. We know I equals to P by V. Then put the value of them. Then we get our result 2 cos t milliampere. And the value of R equals to V divided by I. Then cos t will vanish, the value of 5 kilo ohm. And thank you very much. I hope you all understand the today's class. See you in the next video.